Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to set profile photo on Facebook account. Friends, you want to set your profile photo on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to set profile photo one by one and step by step we are going to talk about in this video. So first of all friends, we will turn on Facebook. Okay, Facebook application we will turn on. After turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface in your Facebook account. In your Facebook account friends, first of all tap on your profile icon. Okay, tap here on camera and you want to set your profile photo, so you can select your profile picture and you can set your profile photo. Select your profile photo, which photo you want to set on your profile. Select your photo and you can set. Example friends, I will select my profile photo, this flower, for any example. Okay, done. And save option, tap here, your profile photo will save. And friends, you want to adjust your photo, so you can adjust your photo first of all. Okay, you want to add any tags, you want to add any sticker on your photos, so you can add from here. Okay, and if you tap here, so you can add tags on your profile photo. You want to mark here, so you can mark here and you can reset also. Done. After adjust photo, save option, tap here, your photo will save on your profile. Friends, you can check uploading your profile photo. Profile photo will set, you can check, you have your profile photo and you can check your profile photo. So like that way you can set profile photo on your Facebook account. Friends, now do you have any problem, you have any doubt in your Facebook setting, profile photo, cover photo setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.